वेलकम टू सारिका स्टडी एकेडमी। ये वीडियो स्टार्ट करने से पहले आपको एक बात बता दूं, आप ये वीडियो देखते हैं तो इसके साथ ही नीचे वाला आपको सब्सक्राइब वाला लाल बटन होता है ना, वो आपको क्लिक करना है। ये चैनल को आप सब्सक्राइब करना है और बेल आइकन को भी क्लिक करना है, ताकि हर रोज जब भी मैं ये वीडियो डालूं तो आपको नोटिफिकेशन आ जाएगा आपके मोबाइल पे रेगुलर। आप वीडियो देखते हैं मगर सब्सक्राइब नहीं करते हो, आपको ये चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करना है, लाइक और शेयर करना है, आपके फ्रेंड्स को भी शेयर करना है ताकि वो भी ये चैनल देखे, इसके जो भी सॉल्यूशन है उनको हेल्प होगी। ठीक है, आपको ये वीडियो को शेयर करना है ताकि बहुत सारे लोगों को इसके सॉल्यूशन मिल पाए। ठीक है, ये एक तरह से आप दूसरों की हेल्प करते हो, इसी हिसाब से आपको ये चैनल को शेयर कीजिएगा ताकि सभी को इस सॉल्यूशन का लाभ उठा सकते हैं और मुझे भी मोटिवेट मिलता है कि ज्यादा काम करने के लिए। अब जैसे मुझे एक सपोर्ट मिलेगा आपका कि आप सबको शेयर करते हो, लाइक करते हो, कमेंट्स करते हो। ठीक है, तो आप एक एज अ हेल्प, एज अ मोटिवेट, मुझे ज्यादा काम करने के लिए एक उत्साह मिलता है कि आप इतना मेरे लिए कर रहे हो। यानी आपके लिए बहुत सारे मैं मटेरियल, स्टडी मटेरियल जो भी चाहिए होगा वो मैं लेके आ पाऊँ। सिर्फ आपको ये चैनल को शेयर करना है, सब्सक्राइब करना है। ठीक है, ताकि बहुत सारे लोगों को भी इसका लाभ उठा सके। ठीक है, तो आज का मैं ज्यादा आपका टाइम नहीं लेने वाली हूँ। ठीक है, बिना टाइम वेस्ट किए हम ये वीडियो को स्टार्ट करते हैं। तो आज क्लास 7 का साइंस का ट्रांसपोर्टेशन इन एनिमल एंड प्लांट 11 लेसन है। ठीक है, गुजरात बोर्ड के वर्कबुक के सॉल्यूशन इस वीडियो में देखेंगे। तो फर्स्ट चूज द करेक्ट ऑप्शंस देख लेते हैं। फर्स्ट है, which component of the blood contain hemoglobin? तो रेड ब्लड सेल इसका आंसर है। इन विच चेम्बर ऑफ द हार्ट डज कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड रिच ब्लड फ्रॉम डिफरेंट ऑफ बॉडी पार्ट्स एंटर? इसका बी आंसर है, राइट एट्रियम। इन विच चेम्बर ऑफ हार्ट हैव ऑलवेज ऑक्सीजन प्योरिफाइड ब्लड? सी आंसर है, इन लेफ्ट atrium and left ventricle. From which chamber of heart is blood pumped into lungs? इसका सही आंसर लेफ्ट वेंट्रिकल। क्वेश्चन 5, which chamber of the heart receive oxygenated blood first? Left atrium. In which animal is circulatory system absent? Sponge and hydra. Question 2, filling the blanks. Valves present in veins and allow blood to flow only towards the heart. Second, the blood vessel pulmonary veins carries oxygen rich blood from the lungs to the heart. The upper two chambers of heart are called atria. Blood is transported to lungs by pulmonary artery. Doctor can get clues about the condition of our heart by listening heartbeats through a stethoscope. 6, kidney is an important organ of human excretory system. 7th, ureter is a tube-like structure connect kidney and urinary bladder. 8, hemoglobin is present in blood cell, namely red blood cell. Arteries and veins are joined by network of capillaries. The rhythmic expansion and contraction of the heart is called heartbeat. 11 question 11 point, urea is the main waste product in human urine. 12, kidney eliminate the waste material in the liquid from called urine. Water reaches great heights in the trees because of suction pull caused by transpiration. Question 3. Answer the following question in one words. Which blood vessel carries carbon dioxide rich blood from heart to the lungs? Pulmonary artery. Which type of blood does pulmonary veins carry oxygen rich blood? What are two lower chamber of heart called? Ventricles. What is the fluid part of the blood called plasma? In which organ does the process of filtration of blood occur? Kidney. Where is the urine released from kidney stored? Urinary bladder. Which vascular tissue is for the transport of water and nutrients in the plant? Xylem. ठीक है, अभी फोर्थ क्वेश्चन है ट्रू फॉल्स. First question, due to the presence of hemoglobin, the blood clots at any injured part of the body. False answer है. The rate of heartbeats and pulse rate are equal. True answer है. The flow of blood in artery is slow and continuous. True answer है. False answer है. There are corpuscles in arteries but absent in veins. False answer है. RBCs are red in color and WBC are white in color. False answer. Ventricles are larger in size as compared to atria. False answer. The wall of ventricles are thicker than the wall of atria. True answer. The wall of the chamber of the heart are made of muscle. True answer. Pulmonary and artery carries oxygen rich blood. False answer. Carbon dioxide is removed as an excretory product through the lungs during exhalation. True answer. Answer the following question in one sentences. What is the function of hemoglobin in blood? Hemoglobin bind with oxygen and transport it to all parts of the body. It makes the blood appear red. Next, page 102. What is the function of white blood cell present in the blood? White blood cell fight against germs that enter our body. Next question. State the type of blood vessel. Arteries, veins, capillary. Fourth, what is called artery? Arteries are the blood vessels that carry oxygen rich blood from heart to all parts of the body. What is called a vein? Vein are the blood vessels that carry carbon dioxide rich blood from all part of the heart. Why do the arteries have thick and elastic wall? The blood flow is rapid and at a high pressure. That's why arteries was thick and elastic wall. What is the pulse rate? The number of beats per minute is called the pulse rate. State the pulse rate in human in resting condition. The pulse rate in human in resting condition in 72 to 80 pulse per minute. From where to where does the blood flow? In pulmonary vein. The blood rich in oxygen flow from lungs to the heart through pulmonary vein. State the size of the human heart. The size of the chest is the size of the human fist. Which part of the heart has oxygen rich blood and which part has carbon dioxide rich blood? The left part of the heart has oxygen rich blood and right part of the heart has carbon dioxide rich blood. What are capillaries? Capillaries are very thin blood vessel. Mention the organ of human excretory system. Kidney, ureters, urinary bladder and urethra. Next question. What are the component of blood? Name them. Red blood cell, white blood cell, platelets, plasma. What makes the blood look red? The hemoglobin pigment present in red blood cell make the blood look red? Define. Excretion, the removal of toxic and waste product from the body, is called an excretion. Tissue. A tissue is a group of cells that perform specialized function in an organism. Answer the following question in short. State the component of blood and write the function of each them. First, red blood cell, they cannot carry hemoglobin, which transport oxygen from the lungs to the other part of the body. Second, white blood cell, they protect the body from germs. Third, platelets, they help the blood clots during injury. Plasma, it transport blood cell throughout the day along with nutrients, waste, antibodies, etc. Question 2. State the function of blood. Function of blood are: first, to transport oxygen, carbon dioxide. Second, it helps in clotting to prevent excess blood loss. Third, it fights against the infection. State the type of blood vessel and explain in brief about each of them. There are three types of blood vessels: arteries, veins, and capillaries. First, artery. They carry oxygen rich blood from heart to all part of the body. They are thick and elastic. Second, veins. They are thin tube like structure. They carry carbon dioxide rich blood from all part of the body back to the heart. Capillaries, they are thin tube like blood vessel connecting arteries and veins. Why is transport of material necessary in a plant or in an animal? Explain. All plant and animal need food, water, and oxygen for survival. They need to transport all these to various parts of their body. Further, animals need to transport waste to parts from where they can be removed. For to fulfill all this transport of material necessary in a plant or in an animal. What are stomata? Next question, what are stomata? Give to function of stomata. Stomata are tiny pores present on the surface of leaves of plant which are surrounded by guard cell. Function of stomata. First point, removal of water in the form of vapor, that is transpiration through. Does transpiration serve any useful function in plant? Explain. Transpiration serves the following useful function in plant. First point, the process of transpiration generate a suction pool which can pull water to great height in the tall trees, thus absorb water and minerals by root reach the stem and leaf. Transpiration produce cooling effect of the plant. Why is it necessary to excrete waste product? Certain waste product are produced in body cell during functioning of cell. These harmful and toxic substances such as urea, uric acid, ammonia are called excretory substances. If such substances accumulate in body, it would disturb the health. So it is necessary to excrete such waste product to maintain our health. Draw diagram of human excretory system and label the various part. ठीक है, तो ये डायग्राम आपको ड्रॉ करना है, इसका स्क्रीनशॉट ले सकते हो आप. ठीक है, तो इस तरह से आपको डायग्राम ड्रॉ किया है. तो यहाँ पे राइट किडनी, लेफ्ट किडनी, यूरेटर्स, यूरिनरी ब्लैडर, यूरिनरी ओपनिंग एंड यूरेट्रा. ठीक है, इस हिसाब से आपको डायग्राम ड्रॉ करना है. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन है, एक्सप्लेन गिविंग साइंटिफिक रीजन. व्हेन अ कट get on any part of the body, the blood coming out from it stop after some time. The bleeding that is caused by cut on the body shop after some time because of the clot formation. The pellets present in blood form the clot at the site of injury. WBC of the blood are our microscopic soldier. The right blood cell help provide immunity by fighting against germ and thereby provide protection from disease and infection. Therefore, they are called the soldier of our body. Next question 9, page number 106. Write 2 points of difference: red blood cell and white blood cell. Red blood cell, first point, it transport oxygen to body's organ. White blood cell, first point, it helps us to fight infection. Red blood cell, second point, they are red due to presence of hemoglobin. White blood cell, second point, WBC, are colorless. Second, artery vein. First artery have thick elastic wall. Vein, first point, veins have thin wall. Artery, second point, arteries carry oxygen rich blood. Veins, second point, veins carry carbon dioxide rich blood. Arteria and ventricles. Atria, first point, the upper chamber of heart are atria. Ventricles, first point, the lower chamber of heart are ventricles. Atria, second point, 2 atria are there, right and left atria. Second, ventricles, second point, ventricles are there, right and left ventricles. Xylem and phloem. Xylem are the vascular tissue which transport water. Phloem, first point, phloem are the vascular tissue which transport food. Xylem, second point, xylem transport water from root to the other part of the plant. Phloem, second point, phloem transport food from leaf to other part of the plant. मैच द कॉलम देख लेते क्वेश्चन 10. स्टोमेटा, इसका बी आंसर आएगा. ट्रांसपिरेशन, xylem, इसका डी आंसर आएगा. ट्रांसपोर्ट ऑफ वाटर, रूट हेयर्स, इसका ए आंसर आएगा. एब्सॉर्प्शन ऑफ वाटर, phloem, इसका सी आंसर आएगा. ट्रांसपोर्ट ऑफ फूड. Activities, page number 107. To find pulses rate in the resting person. Procedure: first, place the middle and index finger of our right hand on the inner side of your left wrist. Second point, try to listen the throbbing movement in it. Third point, count the number of pulse beat in 1 minute. Fourth, record your own pulses beat per minute and those of your classmate. Name: A, B, C, D. A 74 pulses per minute, B 72 pulses per minute, C 75 pulses per minute, D 74 pulses per minute, E 77 pulses per minute. Conclusion: a resting person usually has a pulse rate between 70 to 80 per minute. Question 2, activity 2. To make a simple stethoscope to measure heartbeats and pulse rate with the help of it. Apparatus material: funnel with 6 to 7 cm diameter, a rubber tube. Procedure: take a small funnel of 6-7 cm in diameter. Second, fix a rubber tube in bracket 50 cm long, completely bracket tightly on the stem of the funnel. Third, stretch a rubber sheet on the mouth of the funnel and fix it tightly with a rubber band. Fourth, put the open end of the tube on one of your ear. Place the mouth of the funnel on your chest near the heart. Now try to listen carefully. Count heartbeat in a minute. 6. Count again after running and recording. Page number 108. Heartbeats and pulses rate. Name of the student while resting. Heartbeats, pulse rate after running 4 to 5 minutes. Heartbeats, pulses rate. ठीक है, तो रेस्टिंग के टाइम पे जो हार्टबीट्स और पल्स रेट है वो यहाँ पे लिखना है, और रनिंग के बाद के हार्टबीट और पल्स रेट ये यहाँ पे लिखना है. तो ए रेस्टिंग 74, पल्सिस रेट 74, रनिंग में हार्टबीट्स 80 और पल्सिस रेट 80. बी में रेस्टिंग 72, पल्स रेट 72, हार्टबीट्स 82, यहाँ पे रनिंग में हार्टबीट्स 82. सी 75 हार्टबीट्स रेस्टिंग में और पल्स रेट भी 75, और इसमें रनिंग में 80 और पल्स रेट भी 80 आएगा. डी 74 हार्टबीट्स रेस्टिंग में आएगा और पल्सिस रेट 74 और हार्टबीट्स रनिंग में 79 और 79 आएगा पल्स रेट. ई में हार्टबीट्स रेस्टिंग में 77, पल्स रेट 77 और आफ्टर रनिंग में ई 82 हार्टबीट्स और 82 पल्स रेट. कंक्लूजन, ईच हार्टबीट्स जनरेट 1 pulses in the arteries and the pulses rate per minute indicates the rate of heartbeats and pulse rate are equal even in resting or in active running stage. ठीक है, तो एक्टिविटी 3 है टू शो ट्रांसपोर्टेशन ऑफ वाटर थ्रू सेल, apparatus or material, glass tumbler, water, red ink, a tender herb, a blade. Procedure, first fill 1/3 of glass tumbler with water and add a few drop of red ink to the water. 3. Cut the base of the stem of the herb and place in it the glass. 4th, keep it overnight and observe it the next day. 5th, cut the stem across and absorb it the next day. 5th, cut the stem across and observe red color inside the stem. Observation में है, veins of leaves appeared red in color, narrow tube inside the stem appeared red. Conclusion, water moves up in the stem conduct water just like the red ink mineral dissolved in water moves up through narrow tubes inside the stem. ठीक है, तो इसी के साथ इस वीडियो में ये चैप्टर यहीं पे खत्म होता है. नेक्स्ट वीडियो में मिलते हैं, तब तक के लिए टेक केयर, बाय.